This is Vince from KITAHACK, and I have two other fellow members whose name Hansen and Max. In this project, we are doing ProjekWatch, which is a community infrastructure monitoring tool. Okay, in this sustainable development goals, we are mainly focused on SDG 9, industry innovation and infrastructure, SDG 11, sustainable cities and communities, and the third one is SDG 16, which is peace, justice, and strong institution.
So hi, my name is Hansen. So when developer present us a project, there's always the perfect side of the project. And so when we purchaser look close to the project, there's like always the unfinished side of the project. And worst come to us, the project doesn't even have a door to it. So for ProjekWatch, the problem now I notice is rising housing demand in Malaysia. Population increase from 2023 to 2024 is about 1.9%. Yeah, and the demand increased 18%. Urbanization rate is 78%. Not only that, more and more Singapore foreign companies is moving into Johor, where it's because due to rise of cost in Singapore as well. Not only that, there's like a quota limit for Singapore. So every 2 Singaporean hire, you can hire 1 Malaysian or 1 foreign or something like that. And growth of foreign professional increasing housing demands in Malaysia as well. So yeah, so for our ProjekWatch, it's aimed to bring transparency to everyone, to all the purchasers. The real problem now is abandoned and delayed projects. Thousands of housing units recorded as delayed or abandoned. A total of 78 private sector projects involving 17,605 housing units with 11,735 buyers involved has been classified as abandoned in Peninsular Malaysia. This means billions in buyer financial losses. Purchasers continue paying loans for incomplete homes, limited transparency on developer health and progress. So our solution for ProjekWatch is track housing and infrastructure projects, enable public tracking. For example, we fly drones around to snap a photo of the progress of the projects as well. And then we can visual projects on Google Map and audit developers' credibility and generate AI intelligent reports. So how it works, new project listed, developer background analysis first, and AI reality audit Gemini, and using drone to upload sites photos, progress confidence recalculator, and public transparency dashboard.
The Google technologies we have been using. So the first one is Google Gemini AI, which helps the user to create a full report and compare two infrastructure they are working on. And the second one is Google Maps Flutter, which we generate API key and then insert it to the project, which allow the user to know where is the project is going to help. And then the third one is Flutter plus Material Design Tree, which we are mainly used for code implementation. And then the fourth is Firebase, which helping us to manage the backend, such as login page and image uploading page. Thank you.
Hi guys, my name is Sanchuan, and I'll be demonstrating the app ProjekWatch by KITAHACK. So first, user have to start by logging in, because if not, the app will ask you to log in before you can use any of the function. Our user database and images are all stored in Firebase, where we'll be able to see all the saved projects by the user, specific user, and their login details. So for example, if I want to contribute some comments or image about Residency Harmony Phase 2, I'll say that it is active. There are a lot of workers on site today and cranes. So it is also auto spelling by Gemini. And I'll choose from gallery and submit. So if I were to click back into this property, scroll down, this is a community sentiment based on users, and the progress is based on its completion date. Prima Corporation is a company, and if the user want to know more about developers' background, this company, they can click on full network, where it will show them the company details, location, managing director, and their SSN record. And then based on this, Gemini will give a short summary risk analysis on its past history and key findings. For Project Legacy, it will show you the company's past projects, and user can click on it to view more about it, and communities' past comments. Or if user want to share the reports or compare it with other properties, they can click full PDF report and view on it. It will show them all the details here also. News coverage, we use a scripting tool by using Gemini, where they will script current news about Prima property. These are the key metrics, description of project, labels, timeline, which I just posted one, maps for location. I can compare with similar projects here. Compare with this column for project, and Gemini will come up with a audit claim based like a summarization using the scripting tool again. These are all the details, whether it's likely to be abandoned or not, whether community like users like us are positive about it, and a final summarization based on this data here. Categories are split into multiple type, insights, and saved property, meaning whatever property I save, it will show up there too. Yeah, that's all for the app. Thank you.
Hi, it's Hong San again. So after sharing with a few of my friends at the age of 30 to 50, the age gap, they said that the results is not that accurate. So we'll improve it by allocating our application, linking it to a drone, where the drone will just fly around Malaysia or like fly around areas to snap the photo and get the progress of the projects. Thank you.